In today's video, I'm going to teach you about getting started with Bluehost, a popular choice for web hosting and domain registration, especially known for being beginner-friendly. We'll dive into their services and how you can easily set up your website with them. Let's get started. First, head over to Bluehost's website by typing www.bluehost.com into your browser search bar and hitting enter. This will take you to Bluehost's homepage, your starting point to get your website up and running. Now let's explore why many consider Bluehost as their go-to choice. Bluehost is renowned for offering a range of core services designed to ease you into the digital landscape. These include robust web hosting where your website files, images, and data will reside securely, making them accessible to visitors around the globe. They also provide domain name registration services. This lets you choose and register a unique web address for your site, making it easy for users to find you online. One standout feature is Bluehost's website building tools. Even without any technical expertise, you can create a beautiful site using their drag-and-drop WordPress website builder. It's an intuitive platform that simplifies the creation process, whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. Plus, if professional emailing is crucial for you, Bluehost offers comprehensive email hosting services. With this, you can set up custom email addresses tied directly to your domain, adding a professional touch to your communication. Security is always a top priority online. Thankfully, Bluehost provides several key security features including free SSL certificates, essential for securing data transfer and building trust with your site visitors. They also offer malware scanning and DDoS protection to keep your site safe from cyber threats. Now let's touch on why Bluehost is favored by so many users. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, allowing individuals and small businesses to establish an online presence quickly. It's also backed by WordPress.org, which ensures the platform is optimized for WordPress users. This is particularly helpful if you're considering using WordPress as your CMS. Further adding to its appeal is the array of hosting plans. Whether you need shared, VPS, or dedicated hosting, they have a plan to match your needs and budget. Performance reliability is another hallmark of Bluehost. They focus on maintaining fast, stable servers, which means your website loads quickly and remains accessible, minimizing downtimes. And should you face any issues, their 24/7 customer support is always there to assist you. This mix of user-friendly tools, robust services, excellent support, and reliable performance makes Bluehost an outstanding choice for hosting your website. So whether you're starting a personal blog, launching a business site, or creating a digital portfolio, Bluehost has the resources and support to help you succeed online. Be sure to explore their website, where you'll find all the tools you need to grow your online presence with confidence.